Tonight's episode of Cooking with Chrissy is, well, you can't really call it a bourguignonne because I'm not going to be using Burgundy. So maybe I should call it a Malbecguignonne. So the ingredients are little onions, potatoes, carrots, all get sweated in here first. Then we have some nice round slugs to add, and we make a roux. Oh, we have to put some sugar in with the oil. We make a roux with the flour. Add the vegetable stock, good old Vicon, not too much. A glassful of the wonderful Malbec juice. I shall be forced to drink another glass of that while I'm cooking. We need a bay leaf, a little bit of chili powder, some concentrated tomato puree, and did I say the flour to make the roux? Anyway, I'll say it again, flour to make the roux. Alright, catch up with you later. Oh, goodness knows why you have to put some sugar in with the oil, and then we can add the potatoes and the onion things, and then the carrots. Go on, you bugger. Give those a bit of a stir. Get a bit of oil over them and a bit of sugary stuff. And lid on and sweat for a while. This is a little known but important ingredient. It doesn't go in the meal, but it does go in the chef. That's some cheese to accompany chef's Malbec treat. Well, they've sweated for a while now, a bit like me, and now we're going to plonk in the nice round slugs. They're very nice, in fact they're so good, I'm going to eat one. Yum. Bit of dirt there, but it'll all go in the wash. Keep going. Eat another one. Yum. Lovely slugs. There's a bit of a stir. Maybe need a bit more oil, I think. Quick chop that up. Bit of mazola. Corn oil. Not corn oil, rapeseed. But we like rapeseed oil. We like mazola because it comes in a bottle that doesn't drip everywhere when you use it. No other particular reason for using it. Need to put dirt on there. Better get that off, I suppose. So, slugs and dirt, important ingredient. Put the lid on, let those sweat now. See you later. I have just warmed the stock, but now I'm thinking I'm going to need to add the cold wine. Now, I don't want that to be cold in the pan, so that's going in here now. And then I'm going to give it a zap in the microwave for maybe 30 seconds. Maybe enough. See you later. Did I mention the kidney beans? They go in at the end. Not for long, just 5 minutes because they're already cooked, they just need warming. So, there it is. Give it a tablespoonful of wholemeal flour. Now stir. Try and form. When I say a roux, you just want the flour to be absorbed by the remaining oil. Well, there's all the oil that's in there. Give that a bit of a warm that up. Turn the gas down a bit, because we use gas in this house. It's probably all right now. So we can add the wine and stock, which I've just heated. So turn the heat up. Turn it up quite a lot because we want that to get hot quickly. And that will start to thicken soon. Sorry that I keep wandering off to one side. I've got a natural propensity to the left, evidently. We won't go into further details. Now that's okay. It needs just a dry spoon. None of those, so we'll get another spoon out. It needs just a tad, not a lot, otherwise I'll get bollocked, of chili. What's this? That should really have gone in with the flour, but never mind, I don't suppose it matters. And then a teaspoon of puree. A good teaspoon. That's a teaspoon and a bit. And a bay leaf. 1 bay leaf or more. So give that a good paddle. Get off, you bugger. So clean spoon, that's alright, that can go in the jug. The lid on, and that's everything now. That can cook now for about half an hour. Soften all the veggies. Turn the heat down. That can just go on to simmer now. Simmer that for half an hour. Come back later. Plonk in the kidney beans. Meanwhile, help this wine to leave the glass. I've consumed the cheese, as you've seen, which is essential. See you later. This is all the vegetable waste from the meal, preparation of the meal. That's going on the compost heap. So that ends up being something useful eventually. I sort of feel as though I'm missing something out of my brain. But I haven't. I've checked the recipe and everything's in there. So that's good. I did decide that I needed an extra portion of cheese. So I'm having another portion of cheese with some more wine. Cheese is very important for me. Apart from the fact that I love it, is that it's very good for the guts apparently. Calcium is, and there's protein in it, and I'm still a growing lad. I'm only 76, so I think I need a bit of protein in my life. See you later. This is exceedingly good Malbec. As you can see, it's quite fulsome in flavour. A D. Goodness knows what an E tastes like. Very tasty indeed. It's a great excuse for drinking it when you've got to open it to make a Malbecguignonne. So hurrah for that. Did I say beer and daffodils? Perhaps I meant Malbec and daffodils. That Malbec's definitely going on the shopping list for next week. So the half hour's up. Give everything a poke. All done. Carrots are done. Slugs are done. Potatoes are done. So we can put in the kidney beans now. Give those a good stir in.
You need bread?
Probably. Put the lid on. 5 minutes. See you later. So there it is, finished and plated up. Don't have to use slugs, but we do. because we like them